Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500, and welcome to a very quick video on how to empty your duck bills. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you may have water collected under your scuttle panel, the bit between the back of your bonnet and the bottom of the windscreen. You may hear water sloshing noises, you may just see that it's caked in water. Let me show you, I've got the scuttle panel off. You don't need to take the scuttle panel off, but I've got it off, so I thought I would take the opportunity to show you how you get to them and how you empty them. Let's go. As you can see, I have the scuttle panel off, which gives me a good opportunity to clean under here. Now, if you look down there, with it, hopefully it will focus, you will see some black plastic there. No, you can't see it. Let me get the torch in there. Right, you see that black rubber? Right in the middle of the picture. That's the duck bill. So that's the back of the duck bill. Now what that is meant to do, all the water that collects within this area goes into there and then goes out onto the road through that duck bill. Now that duck bill, as you can see here, this car is all caked in muck, leaves and all sorts of things. Now you can do it by doing it here. What's that? Another bit of muck. Oh, it's come out of a windscreen when a windscreen's been done in this car. Get rid of that. You can get to it from here, but you don't need to. The best way you can get to them is with your hand. I suggest you wear a glove. If you go down there, in fact, you can actually see. If I can focus on it. I'm not sure whether that's focused or not. Let me get the camera in there. I'm not sure whether that's focused or not there. It might be a bit dark. So I think you can see there the bottom of the duck bill. You can actually see that there is all muck coming out of the bottom. Now there's two of those right next to each other. So there's that one there, and about less than a foot away on the other side is another one. So all you got to do, you don't even need to look. You can get your hand down there like I've done here, and all you do, get hold of it and wiggle it out. There it is. As you can see, that's completely caked in muck. So no water is going to get out through there. So that's why it isn't on this car, luckily. But that's how they get full up. And if you see there, you see the hole there. You see the light coming through the hole? That's the hole that this was in. There's another one on the other side as well. Can we see it from here? Not sure if we can see it or not. We might have to get the torch in there as well. So let me just empty this and clean it, and then we'll come back and I'll put it back in again. So there it is, all nice and clean. So to put it back in, all you need to do is put your hand underneath, and as you'll see it's coming up through there, put your hand underneath and then just sort of pop it back in. Then you just make sure you push it so the lip of it goes underneath, like that, and then that won't fall out. Just like that, that's all you got to do. And then the same on the other side. If I can get my hand under there, it's down here, just there, it's probably a bit dark. Get your hand in there and feel for it. Where is it? Oh, it's that this one has actually gone up inside the car. So what we need to do is get my hand in there and get it out from the top. Yeah, there it is. So somehow that's already been pushed up too far. Now some people just completely take these out. There you go, that one's caked as well. Some people just take them out, and to be honest with you, I'd sometimes do. You can put them back in from the top. In fact, sometimes it might be easier. Again, you can probably see the hole there. Maybe not, but again, just got to clean that one out. If you've got the scuttle panel off, you can put it in from the top, which is probably easier. It's got a little ridge on the end of it which just goes to hold it in, but I suppose it's easier to get it in from the top, so I'll put this one in from the top. But that's all you've got to do. If you do that regularly, as I say, without taking the scuttle panel off, you don't need to I would say certainly in the winter, do that once a month, and that way you won't get water collecting in there, because what can happen is if it gets too high and sloshes about too much, it ends up in the cabin, and not only will you get wet carpets, you can get water dripping onto your airbag ECU, which is in the middle at the back of the centre console. And if that happens, if water gets inside that module, you can fry your airbag ECU, which can cause all sorts of problems and lots of expense. So I'm going to clean that one and put that one back in, and then I'll carry on with what I was doing. Just wanted to film this quickly to show you. So that's it. How to how to find, take out, clean and put back your duck bills under your scuttle panel. Thanks for watching. As always, if you're not a subscriber, please click the button, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and there are lots and lots of how-to videos like this, and longer ones, shorter ones, showing you how to do all sorts of things on your Fiat 500 or Abarth, as well as all the projects. So have a look around the channel, and as I say, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until the next one, as always, take care, stay safe, and we will see you soon.